So can you take up the challenge and solve this question? This is a good conceptual question. So you can give it a try. I'll read out the question for you. If the derivative of an odd cubic polynomial derivative vanishes at two different values of x, then coefficient of x cube and x in the polynomial must be of different sign. So this is true or false to check. एक क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल दी हुई है, मतलब आपको अज्यूम करना है क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल है, उसके डेरिवेटिव टू वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स के लिए वैनिश हो जाता है. वैनिश होता है मीन्स वो जीरो हो जाता है. सो देन इट इज आस्किंग कि व्हाट विल बी द sign of the coefficient of x cube and x in the polynomial. Will it be of the same type, same sign, or it will be of opposite sign? मतलब एक पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव, एक नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव, लाइक दैट, और नेगेटिव नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव. So that we have to find and give the answers true or false. The statement here is vouching for opposite sign, different in sign. So let us start now. First thing is odd cubic polynomial. So what is odd cubic polynomial? होता क्या है ये odd cubic polynomial? Since it is saying cubic means it should be of the 3 degree, right? And it is an odd cubic polynomial means fx plus f minus x should be equal to 0, where fx is the cubic polynomial. So let us assume that our polynomial is ax cube bx square cx plus d. Then we will check for f minus x. What will be f minus x? And since it is an odd cubic polynomial, so when we will sum these two together, should be 0. So we can say that fx keep the value, fx is your this, f minus x is with negative sign. Minus x cube plus bx square this. So finally you got this equation. So when will this be possible? This will only be possible when your b is 0 and d is 0, so that 0 is equal to 0. Otherwise it will not, because both of these expressions are same. But here the negative sign has come. So this is possible only when your b is 0 and d is 0. So our fx, the polynomial, will reduce to ax cube. B is 0, so second term will finish. Cx, d is 0, so fourth term will finish. So we got the cubic polynomial, the odd cubic polynomial, which is this. Now, the question is saying derivative of this odd cubic polynomial vanishes at two different points. So what we will do? We will take the derivative f dash x, that is 3ax square plus c, and this will vanish at two different points, it is saying. So it should be 0, equal to 0. So minus c by 3a. So x will be plus minus square root of minus c by 3a. Now for x to be real, minus c by 3a should be positive. But when will it be positive? When c and a is of opposite sign. Suppose c is greater than 0, then a should be less than 0. So that c by a will be negative, 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 the whole thing will become positive. Or if c is negative, then a should be positive. This is the condition. So we can say that c and a is of different sign, which is given in the question. So your answer will be true. If a and c are of opposite sign, then only you will get the real values of x for at which the derivative of this odd cubic polynomial will vanish at two value of x, that is plus and minus square root of minus c by 3a. Thank you.